We're so happy you're here!
Let's have some fun and learn together.
Ready? Let's go!
Good morning, travelers. The sun is up, the birds are singing, and the car is ready. Today is the day for our road trip. We are driving to the coast. But first, we have a challenge. We have to fit all this stuff into the car.
We have a lot of bags, Ben. I have my big blue suitcase, you have your backpack, and I have this heavy cooler. It is full of ice and drinks. Do you think it will all fit? This is a small car. It is a hatchback.
We have to be smart. We have to play Tetris. Open the trunk, that is the back storage space of the car. Okay, lift the heavy suitcase first. Grunt! Slide it to the back. Push it against the seat.
Okay, the suitcase is in. Now the cooler. It is square and hard. Put it next to the suitcase. It fits perfectly, like a puzzle piece. Now throw the soft bags on top. My pillow, your jacket, the bag of chips.
Don't crush the chips. If you crush the bag, we will eat potato dust. Put the chips in the front seat. Okay, the trunk is full. Slam it shut. Thump. It clicked. It is locked.
Before we leave, we need a safety check. We are driving a long distance. How are the tires? Do they have enough air?
Let me check. I am kicking the tire gently. Thump. It sounds solid. It feels firm. If the tire is flat, we cannot drive. But these look good. The rubber is strong.
I am checking the mirrors. I'm adjusting the side mirror. Click, click. Now I can see the road behind me. And the windshield is clean. No bird poop, no dirt. We can see perfectly.
Do you have the keys? The ignition key. We cannot start the engine without it.
I have them right here. Jingle, jingle. Let's get in. I call shotgun. That means I get to sit in the front passenger seat. You are the driver today, Ben.
Slam. Click. Safety first. Buckle your seatbelt. Okay, put the key in the ignition. Turn it. Vroom. The engine is purring like a kitten.
Now, where are we going? We need the navigation. I am typing the address into the GPS. Blue, water, beach. Okay, it found it. It says 3 hours and 15 minutes.
Does it show traffic? Are there red lines on the map?
No red lines, only blue lines. That means the road is clear. No traffic jams. The voice says, turn right in 500 feet.
Okay, here we go. Shift the gear into drive. Hands on the steering wheel. 10 and 2. Release the brake, and we are rolling. Goodbye, house. Hello, adventure. Okay, hold on tight. We are leaving the slow city streets. We are entering the highway. Look at the sign. Interstate 95 South. That is our road. We are on the on-ramp. That is the short road that connects to the highway.
We are going faster. The engine is roaring. Vroom. You have to speed up, Ben. You have to match the speed of the other cars. Check your side mirror. Is it clear?
I am checking. I see a red truck and a blue van. Okay, there is a gap. I am turning on my blinker. Click, 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 click. That light tells other drivers I'm moving over. And merge. We're in. We are officially on the highway.
Good job. That was smooth. Now we are cruising. The speed limit is 65 miles per hour. Look at the speedometer. That is the dial with the numbers. Where's the needle?
The needle is on the 65. I am going to use a special button, cruise control. Beep. Now the car will keep this speed automatically. I can take my foot off the pedal. My leg can relax. The car drives itself, almost.
Look at the window, Ben. The scenery is changing. No more tall buildings, no more traffic lights. Now we see nature, green fields, old wooden fences, and look at those cows. Moo! It is beautiful out here.
We're coming up behind a big truck. It's an 18-wheeler. It is huge. It is carrying logs. It is moving very slowly. I need to pass him. I need to go around.
Be careful. Check your blind spot. That is the dangerous spot you cannot see in the mirror. Turn your head. Look over your shoulder. Is it clear?
Yes, it is clear. Blinker on. Click, click. Change lanes to the left. Whoosh, we are passing the truck. He is loud. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Okay, we passed him. Blinker on, change back to the right lane. Safe and sound.
That was exciting. Driving on the highway requires focus, but it is a little quiet in here. We need some energy. We need music. Turn on the radio or plug in your phone.
I am turning the volume knob. Twist. Let's find a good station. Zzz, zzz, zzz. No, that is just news. Zzz, zzz. No, that is classical music. Too sleepy. Ah, here we go. Pop music. Something with a good beat. Thump, thump, thump.
I know this song. It's a classic. Sing with me, Ben. Don't be shy. Nobody can hear us. The windows are rolled up. We are in our own private karaoke box.
Okay, but I'm a terrible singer. La, la, la. Driving fast and singing loud. This is the best part of a road trip. The feeling of freedom. We can go anywhere we want.
Wait. Look at the dashboard, Ben. A little orange light just turned on. It's a symbol. It looks like a gas pump.
Oh no, that is the low fuel light. It means the car is thirsty. We are running out of gas. We cannot sing without fuel. We need to find a gas station.
I see a sign. Exit 42, food and gas. Get in the right lane, Ben. We have to take the exit. Let's take a break. My legs need to stretch anyway.
Okay, we stopped. Turn off the engine. Silence. Ah, it is nice to have silence for a moment. My ears were tired from the wind noise. Get out of the car, Anna. Stretch your legs. Crack. Ooh, my back needed that.
It is hot outside. The sun is very strong here. The air smells different. It smells like gasoline and hot asphalt. Go ahead and fill her up, then. That is what people say in movies. Fill her up.
Okay, I am opening the little door on the side of the car. It is the fuel door. I am unscrewing the gas cap. Twist, twist. Now I have to choose. Look at the buttons on the pump. Regular, plus, or premium. Our car is not a fancy sports car, so I choose regular, 87 octane. It is the cheapest one.
Insert the nozzle. That is the metal gun. Squeeze the handle. Clunk! The sound of liquid flowing into the tank. The numbers on the screen are going up fast. $10, $20, $30. Gas is expensive these days.
While the tank is filling, look at the windshield, Anna. It is a graveyard. It is covered in dead bugs. There's a big yellow splat right in front of my face. I cannot see through it. Can you clean it?
I'm on it. I'm grabbing the squeegee. That is the special tool in the bucket of blue water. One side is a sponge, the other is a rubber blade. I'm dipping it in the water. Splash. It's cold and soapy.
Scrub it hard. Get the bugs off. Scrub, scrub. Now use the rubber side to wipe away the water. Squeak. Perfect. It is crystal clear again. You missed a spot in the corner. Okay, you got it.
Click. The pump stopped automatically. The tank is full. Topped off. Put the nozzle back, Ben. Don't forget to screw the gas cap back on. Click, click, click. Tight.
Now for the most important part of the stop. My stomach is grumbling. We need snacks. Let's go inside the convenience store. Every gas station has a store. It is usually full of unhealthy food.
Ding dong. Wow, it is cold in here. The air conditioning is freezing. Look at these aisles. Candy bars, chips, soda, coffee. What are you craving? Salty or sweet?
I need salt. I'm getting a bag of beef jerky, dried meat. It is the ultimate road trip food. And maybe some sunflower seeds. They help keep me awake while I drive.
I want something sweet. I'm getting a bag of gummy bears. Red ones are my favorite. And we need drinks. Grab 2 big bottles of water from the fridge. We need to stay hydrated.
Okay, bring it to the counter. The cashier is waiting. Receipt, please? Always get a receipt, just in case. Okay, we have fuel for the car and fuel for our bodies. Are you ready for the final leg of the trip?
I am ready. Back to the car. Shotgun. Let's go see the ocean.
Okay, the GPS says we are close. Turn right onto Coastal Highway 1. Click, click. We are leaving the big straight highway. We are taking the Scenic Route. That means the beautiful way. It is slower, but it is much prettier.
Oh, wow. Look at the road, Ben. It is not straight anymore. It is curvy. It is winding like a snake. You have to slow down. Don't drive too fast on the curves.
I am slowing down. I am using the brakes. Squeak! Steering wheel turning sound. Swish, swish. Left. Then right. Then left again. This is fun driving. It feels like a video game. But look at the light, Anna.
It is golden hour. The sun is going down. Everything looks orange and gold. The trees look gold. The road looks gold. Even your face looks gold. You look very handsome in this light.
Why, thank you. You look glowing too. Okay, I am going to do something. I am pressing the button. Whirr! I am rolling down the windows, all the way down. Let the air come in.
Whoosh. Oh, the air is cold, but it feels amazing. Take a deep breath, Ben. Inhale. Do you smell that? It does not smell like gas anymore. It smells like salt. It smells like the ocean.
We must be very close. Look at the GPS. Arriving at destination in 2 minutes. Keep your eyes on the horizon. Look for the blue line.
I see it. I see the water. It is huge. It stretches forever. The sun is reflecting off the waves. It is sparkling like diamonds. Sparkle, sparkle. We made it to the coast.
Car slows down. Rumble, rumble, stop. We are here. Blue Water Beach. I am putting the car in park. Click. I am pulling the handbrake. Creak. Engine off. Silence.
We did it. We survived the traffic. We survived the hunger. We survived the winding roads. My legs are stiff from sitting so long. Let's get out. Open the door.
Door opening sound. Ka-chunk. Ah, listen to that. Crash, crash. That is the sound of the waves hitting the shore. It is the best sound in the world. Grab the cooler, Anna. Let's go sit on the sand and watch the sunset.
I am grabbing the cooler and the blanket. This was a great trip, Ben. Driving is tiring, but the destination is worth it. Are you ready to drive all the way back home tomorrow?
Don't talk about tomorrow. Let's just enjoy the view right now. Look at that sun. Good night, sun. Good night, road. We are finally here.